Magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, December 17, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng December 17, 2025 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na mabasa para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng December 17, 2025 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na mabasa para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto, 655 Mega Lotto, 645 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Wednesday, December 17, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for December 17, 2025, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Wednesday, December 17, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.